From debt to developer, my 12-month flip. 12 months ago, I was $42,000 in debt. Now, I just sold my first flip as a real estate developer for a six-figure profit. I didn't win the lottery. I didn't have rich parents, just a busted credit score and a plan. Here's exactly how it happened. The low point. Let me paint the picture. 1 year ago, I was dodging calls from debt collectors, student loans, maxed credit cards, the whole mess. I was working 2 jobs just to afford rent in a city I didn't even like. Then one night on YouTube, I saw a video titled, "How I Flipped My First House with No Money Down." Sounds scammy, right? But something about it stuck. I stayed up until 4 a.m. binge-watching flips. The plan. The next day, I opened a Zillow. I searched for the cheapest homes within 50 miles. Found a beat-up 2-bed, listed for $79,000. Looked like a haunted house, broken windows, yellow ceilings, the works. But I didn't see trash. I saw potential. With zero cash, I convinced a local investor to front the money. $70,000 purchase, $30,000 rehab. In exchange, I'd manage the flip, every nail, every tile, and split the profit 50-50. He said yes. I almost cried. The grind. What followed was the hardest 4 months of my life. I learned how to demo a bathroom from YouTube. I painted walls after midnight. I slept in the unfinished house on a blow-up mattress. It was freezing. It was exhausting. But slowly, it started to look like a home. Neighbors began stopping by. One even said, "Whoever's flipping this is doing it right." That was the first time I felt like more than a broke college grad. I felt like a developer. The sale. 6 months later, we listed it at $199,000. Offers started rolling in within days. Final sale price? $215,000. After expenses, I walked away with my first ever $42,000 check, the exact amount of debt I was drowning in 1 year ago. The takeaway. I'm not saying flipping is easy, but I am saying one deal can change your life. No trust fund, no finance degree, just grit, YouTube, and a belief that broke doesn't mean broken. If you're in the same place I was, buried in debt and scared to start, this is your sign. Flip your first house. Flip your life.